So we decided to create a park view here because we didn't think that there was another better place rather than a park to show you examples of types of motion. First, I will start demonstrating my project from this Ferris wheel. As you can see that Ferris wheels are an essential part of every park. There are very less parks that don't have a Ferris wheel, but have you ever wondered that what motion does Ferris wheel show? Ferris wheel shows circular motion. As you can see here, this is in circular motion. Now the question arises that what is circular motion? A body moving in a circular path is known as circular motion. What example does we have from the universe of circular motion? So the example that is come from universe to us of type of circular motion is our Earth revolving around the sun. Now here is a chair lift. We decided to make a chair lift because a chair lift is in linear motion. What is a linear motion? A straight line motion of a body is known as linear motion. And airplanes flying in the air is also an example of linear motion. Now, let me come to this ice cream truck and this vendor. This is an example of random motion because if you ever visit any public place, there are some ice cream vendors and many people wandering here and there. And the most common example we take from our school is that when we go in the break, children are moving here and there. That is also an example of random motion. Now, Tarisha Nasir will take over from here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tarisha and I will start from rotatory motion. As rotatory motion means that a body moving along its axis. So we have taken this tornado as an example as it moves along its axis. Now I will explain you the translatory motion. The translatory motion is that a body moving along a line without any rotation. The line may be straight or curved. So as this person is sitting in this car, the car is not in the translatory motion as it is in the random motion. But the man sitting in this car is in translatory motion as it does not change its position due to change in the position of the car. Here it is vibratory motion as it means the body moving to and fro in a direction. So in certain parks we have seen that there are some small animals or cars attached to a spring for fun. So
if you have ever visited a youth park or joined and there is a ride that is special for children, just children. It is an example of that ride.
We have taken this. So it's all for today.
It is model of structure of cell membrane. It is made of three main parts: proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. It is most outer covering of cell.
Heart is the main organ of the body. It is located between the ribs. It is slightly towards the left side. Heart has four chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. Heart has many veins and arteries. This is superior vena cava. This is inferior vena cava. This is pulmonary vein, and this is pulmonary artery. Heart purifies the blood.
My name is Inmoli and the topic that was assigned to us is security alarm. जब हम word security सुनते हैं, the first thing that comes to our mind is the protection and the measures that we can take to prevent our valuable thing from any kind of damage. Security basically हमारी life में बहुत essential और एक बहुत fundamental role play करती है. Like you can simply take the example from your phone. अगर हमारे फ़ोन में किसी भी किस्म की कोई भी प्रोटेक्शन या कोई भी सिक्योरिटी नहीं होगी, anyone can easily get access to check your phone जिससे आपका डाटा प्राइवेट नहीं रहेगा. Like we are going to talk about the two important things here. How can we use the special laser to make sure that no one can get access to our place, and how can we detect gas leakage and make everyone safe. We will explore that how these two clever systems work and why they are so important in protecting our homes and the people inside them. गैस लीकेज हमारे मुल्क में बहुत कॉमन एक बहुत डेंजरस प्रॉब्लम है. हर साल हज़ारों लोग गैस लीकेज होने वाली सफोकेशन या तो ब्लास्ट से मारे जाते हैं. लाइक इफ वी गो अ फ्यू मंथ्स बैक ऑन 25 January 2023, 16 people in Quetta, including children, died in the blast caused by the gas leakage. So here we install a gas sensor along with the buzzer and the battery to show that how it can detect the gas leakage.
और अब मैं यहाँ पे लाइटर यूज़ कर रही हूँ गैस को सेंस कराने के लिए। ये हमारे पास ऑन हो चुका है हमारा सेंसर। आप देख सकते हैं इसने गैस सेंस किया और एक अलार्म प्रोड्यूस किया। इस तरह हमारे आइडियाज़ के थ्रू आप गैस लीकेज के एक्सीडेंट से बच सकते हैं। पाकिस्तान में बहुत बड़ा इशू है, विंटर सीजन में ख़ास तौर पे ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, तो इसीलिए हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमारे आइडिया से इंस्पायर हो और इसे आगे प्रमोट करें।
Also, we here make a laser security system. It only uses a light to make an invisible barrier. और जब इसमें किसी भी किस्म की इंटरप्शन आती है तो ये एक रेडली ट्रिगर्स एन अलार्म। अब यहाँ पे जब हम किसी भी किस्म की इंटरप्शन करेंगे तो यहाँ पे ये अलार्म बजा देगा। अब यहाँ पे हमने इस सर्किट को बनाने के लिए एक BC547 ट्रांजिस्टर और 2.2 के रजिस्टर और एक हमने LDR यूज़ किया। LDR बेसिकली इस सर्किट का मेन कंपोनेंट है। LDR इज लाइट डिपेंडेंट रजिस्टर विच डिटेक्ट द चेंज इन द लाइट इंटेंसिटी एंड दैट्स हाउ।
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabah and today I am standing here to represent our model. The topic of our model is security, smart security glasses. These glasses are specially designed for blind people. The person wearing it can walk independently, move independently. The things that we have been used in these glasses is ultrasonic sensor, on-off button, few wires for the connection, battery, buzzer, capacitor of 10 and 5 microfarad integrated circuit, reset, and this one is the resistor. So the ultrasonic sensor that we have been used in this can sense the any target or obstacle, and it will produce and the buzzer will produce an alarm as a result. So the person wearing it will be alert and he or she will be safe from any kind of accident. So now I will show you the working, and we have also shown the circuit diagram for the better explanation. So let me show you the working of our gadget. So now I am opening and I am starting it. Now the alarm is working and it will sense any kind of obstacle. I am using the scale as an obstacle. You can see that when the scale comes in the way of it produce an alarm. So that's the main working of our project. हमारे प्रोजेक्ट की ख़ास बात ये है कि ये ग्लासेस आपको ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल होंगी, लेकिन वो लोग यूज़ करते हैं इसमें आर्डिनो हमारे पास बहुत महंगा होता है, जिसकी वजह से हर कोई ये ग्लासेस अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता। तो हमने ये ग्लासेस स्पेशली विदाउट आर्डिनो डिज़ाइन किए ताकि हर शख्स इसे अफोर्ड कर सके। सो दिस इज़ आवर आइडिया। थैंक्स फॉर योर टाइम। आई होप दैट यू विल इंस्पायर बाय आवर